Hi, I'm Leah Martin from Leah Martin Law. Today we're continuing our Business Best Practices Checklist series and talking about employment agreements. Do you have an employee or are you thinking about getting one? If you don't have any employment documentation, it's definitely a good idea to have some. There are a few key pieces that really make the process run a lot smoother. One of the key documents that you should have is either a full employment agreement or at least a detailed offer letter that articulates the key terms between the parties. If you're in a state like Nevada where an employer can terminate an employee for any non-discriminatory reason at any time, you may not want to lock down the employment to a specific term, but you can still lay out all of the other provisions. So among the things you probably want to talk about is who the employer, especially if you have multiple businesses, you want it to be clear which of those businesses is employing the employee. You want to be clear on what compensation looks like. Is it hourly? Is it salary? Are there bonuses that are on a fixed rate? Are there commissions? And are there benefits that you need to talk about? You also want to be clear what the job responsibilities are so that you can know if they're not fulfilling their obligations to the company. There may be other things that are important to you and your business that need to be stated there as well. The second key piece is those in-between documents. So are you changing compensation? Are hours changing? Are job positions and titles changing? You want to document any of those changes over time as well. And then the third important piece is any disciplinary documents, any performance reviews, termination documents, all the things that really show what that relationship looked over time so that you can have validation if something goes wrong in the business, that you did the things that you needed to do to try to rehabilitate and correct the relationship. If you don't have any of these documents in place, talk to a business attorney to help you get on track. And if you'd like more information, check out our website, which is linked in the description below.